A mild tension erupted on Thursday as a group of locals staged a counter-protest at India's capital Singhu border with Haryana, demanding the removal of farmers who have been agitating against the agricultural laws for over 2 months. They expressed they were angered over the violence during farmers' tractor rally coinciding with India's Republic Day.
Tension erupted on Thursday as a group of people who claim to be residents of Singhu village at Indian capital New Delhi's border with Haryana staged a counter-protest and demanded farmers to vacate the area where they have been protesting against new farm laws for over 60 days. The protesters expressed they were angered over the violent clashes between police and farmers who were holding a tractor rally coinciding with India's Republic Day on January 26. The Tuesday's events came even after protest leaders had promised police a massive but peaceful rally along a predetermined route. A section of protesters smashed through barricades and clashed with police, and also breached the iconic Red Fort in New Delhi and unfurled their flags at the historic monument.
मेरा हमीदपुर गांव से मैं डेली इनको किसानों को यहाँ देखता था, इनके पास आता था, मैं कहीं ना कहीं इनका दर्द समझता था, लेकिन 26 जनवरी वाले दिन जो इन्होंने दिल्ली के अंदर दिल्ली पुलिस से कमिटमेंट करके उसका उल्लंघन किया है, तिरंगे का अपमान किया है, लाल किले पर जाके ये किसान नहीं कर सकता, ये भेड़िए है किसान के रूप में.
Farm leaders have condemned the violent turn the protest took, saying it has undermined their cause. Meanwhile, 16 opposition political parties have announced to boycott President's address in the parliament on Friday in solidarity with the agitating farmers, while demanding a probe into Tuesday's violence. On Thursday, India's Interior Minister Amit Shah met nearly 400 injured personnel of the Delhi police undergoing treatment in New Delhi hospitals. Police has arrested at least 19 people and registered over 25 criminal cases in connection with the violence.